Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event. I've got all the details and all the things to share with you all. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, for all of my newbie couponers out there, if you have never shopped at a Dollar General clearance event, you need to go and check out this video right here. In this video, I go over all of the most frequently asked questions, plus I give you guys tons of tips and tricks. So if you haven't seen it, go and watch it. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, just in case you all missed it, I have already been uploading videos pertaining to this clearance event. We have tons of visuals, tons of new categories, so if you've missed anything, again, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to have them all linked and listed right there for you. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk details, shall we? Now we've got some good news and we've got some bad news. Dollar General did send out an updated memo on this clearance event, and let's just say it's not going to be as epic as we thought it was, but it's still going to be absolutely amazing. So first up, yes, Dollar General will be having a 7-day long clearance event. Now, if I were the one writing the memos out, I would not have called it a 7-day clearance event. I would have preferred to call it a 7-day sales event, because basically we have a lot of sales going on for these dates. So when is this going to start? This is going to start this Friday, September the 29th, and it is going to run through Thursday, October the 5th. First up, we have our home sales event. So this is on dinnerware and kitchen organization items. These are going to be on sale, buy one, get one free, and you can mix and match, and it will include kitchen canisters, flatware, and dinnerware. Next up, we have our bedding sales event. Again, buy one, get one free, and you can mix and match. This will include blankets, sheets, comforters, quilts, decorative pillows, and hanging throws, but it will exclude Christmas and brown dot items. Next up, we have our harvest sales event. Lots of cute items in this category. Again, buy one, get one free, and you can mix and match. This will include decor, outdoor kitchen, tabletop, floor items, and candles. And don't forget, we still have our sale going on for Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. They are buy one, get one 75% off. That sale is going on right now, and it will end October the 5th. All right, now, why in the world Dollar General decided to pull all of these shenanigans and get everybody confused, I have no idea. Because the simple way to explain this is that we are going to be having a 3-day clearance event within our 7-day sales event. Hopefully that makes much more sense for you guys. Now, this 3-day clearance event will start on Friday, September the 29th, and run through Sunday, October the 1st. Now, here's where things get exciting, because from here on out, all of the items and categories that we talk about will be an additional 50% off during this clearance event, unless you find a store that is an additional 70% off. And if you do, even better. So what is going to be included in this clearance event? Of course, we have our clearance section. We also have our POG clearance items included, and if you don't know what that is, make sure that you go back and check out that video that I talked about at the beginning of this video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let me go ahead and give you all a heads up. We have tons of new POG clearance items, tons of items that just recently joined our clearance markdowns, so you know your girl's got you covered. Make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Also included, we have select hand sanitizers and wipes. These will be 50% off of their regular price. Alright, next up we have our lawn and garden category included in this clearance event. Now, there are a few exclusions, and this category is currently sitting at 50% off. So during the clearance event, these will be an additional 50% off, meaning these items will be 75% off. Alright, next up we have our swim and summer toys. So you want to be on the lookout for the pink square on the price tag. Keep in mind that this category does exclude the chalk and bubbles, but this category is currently sitting at 50% off, so during the clearance event, they will be an additional 50% off. Now, we also have our green dot home category included in this clearance event. These items are currently sitting at 50% off, and don't forget that this does include those green dot Mother's Day items as well as the beach towels. All right, up next we have our spring stationery and party category, as well as our summer stationery and party category, and our patriotic party category. All three of these are currently sitting at 50% off, and I just recently uploaded a video going over all the visuals for all 3 of these categories. So make sure that you go and check it out. Next up, we have our 4th of July home/seasonal category. Now this category is currently sitting at 50% off, and I will have the visuals up for you all ASAP. Now also included in this clearance event, we have select sun care items. They are currently 50% off, but during the clearance event, they will be an additional 50% off, making those 75% off. Now here are a look at all the items that are included in this category. Alright guys, now while we're taking a look at these sun care products, you guys let me know down in the comment section below, are you looking forward to this Dollar General clearance event? I know I am, because we have tons of new items. We have great coupon matchups this time around, so I'm really excited. Alright, now rolling right along, we also have our summer insecticides included in this clearance event. These items are currently sitting at 50% off. During the clearance event, they will be an additional 50% off unless you find one of those magical additional 70% off stores. That would make these guys super, super cheap. Now, next up, we also have our back to school stationery category. Again, this one is currently sitting at 50% off. And here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. Now, I'm trying to squeeze in as much information into these videos as humanly possible. So while we're taking a look at these items, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody, don't forget, we're still going to have our 5 off $25 coupons, 10 off 40 coupons. A lot of accounts have 3 off of a 301 or 3 off of 15 or 3 off of 10 or 2 off of 10. We have birthday coupons out there, so don't forget about all those DG store coupons. And if you are running out to Dollar General this week, swing through that self-checkout lane and grab a few extra 5 off 25s for Saturday. Now, jumping back into the categories that are included, we also have our back-to-school hardware category. Visuals coming soon, but these items are currently sitting at 50% off. And we also have our freezer bars. Now, these are currently sitting at 90% off. So, during the clearance event, that is going to make them 95% off. So a really great deal on the freezer bars. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's all the information that I have for you all so far, but make sure that you stay tuned, because coming up next, we're going to have more visuals and coupon matchups, tons of freebies, and great deals. So make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on and stay tuned. Now here at the end, I have included a couple of little cheat sheets, because that's a lot of categories included. Now the majority of them are 75% off, except for our hand sanitizers and freezer bars. So hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier to remember. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have so many more deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.